They say great ideas come from simple drinks, and ours began with a cup of coffee. Every day, millions enjoy this drink but rarely think about the waste they left behind. Coffee grounds add up to over 11 million tons a year, which most of them end up in landfills, creating waste and emissions. Meanwhile, the same institutions that brew this coffee, like universities, offices, coffee shops, and even institutions, still rely on expensive chemical and polluting ingredient products. My name is Maria Alejandra Pomares, and with Maya Barrios, Luisa Araque, we are industrial design students from the Universidad Norte, Colombia, and we think about this contradiction. So much waste, so little reuse, and think about this change to turn into a change idea.
Coffee is the second most consumed beverage in the world, and although its aroma and flavor accompany millions of daily routines, its the environmental impact often goes unnoticed. More than 19% of coffee waste is discarded without any kind of recovery. At the same time, the institutional cleaning industry moves over $80 billion a year and is expected to nearly double in the next decade. Yet, the most of its products remain highly polluting, generate chemicals, and single-use plastics. The world is moving toward sustainability policies and circular economics models, but there are still gaps between sectors that could complement each other. And right there, between coffee and cleaning, we found an invisible connections with huge potential.
Our target audience includes institutions, universities, and companies where coffee is a part of the daily routine. Spaces equipped with coffee machines, cleaning staff, and high consumption of maintenance products. We focus on facility managers, operation directors, and sustainability coordinators. People who make decisions about resources, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. These organizations constantly generate waste but lack a system that connects it with their own cleaning practices. And that's where we saw the opportunity to create a system that could close that cycle.
From that observation, BrewLoop was born, a circular and sustainable cleaning system that transformed coffee waste into a useful tool for institutional maintenance. Our purpose? Clear. Reuse what once were discarded, reduce chemical product consumption, and strengthen sustainability culture within workplaces.
BrewLoop works as an ecosystem made of three components that operate together: BrewCard, LoopMind, and EcoPanel. The BrewCard is a heart of systems. It transforms used coffee grounds into recyclable tablets through high pressure. This process deshydrates the grounds, prevents mold growth, and compresses them into solid tablets. This can be used with utensils, neutralize odors, and even repellent insects naturally. The entire process is measured through programmable panels that allows users to adjust times, temperature, and quantity. In short, it turns an everyday residue into useful and sustainable cleaning resource.
The LoopMind is the digital brain of the system. Through an online platform, it manages production data, cleaning staff schedules, and sustainability indicators. It monitors each brew score's performance in real life, records the amount of processed waste, and calculates savings in water and chemical products. It also automates task assignments, routes, and staff schedules, generating instant sustainability reports. This way, it not only optimizes resources but makes the positive environmental impact visible.
And finally, the Eco Panel is the visible face of the system. This system is installed next to the device and allows workers to log their activities using a personal card. It reminds them of schedules, pending tasks, and when this is not in use, it displays the company's sustainability achievements. For example, the amount of waste reused, monthly savings, and motivational eco messages. In this way, sustainability stops being an abstract concept and becomes something visible and shared by everyone. And so, the full cycle is closed naturally. Coffee, first of all, is brewed. BrewCore transforms the waste. LoopMind manages the process, and finally, EcoPanel communicates the results.
BrewLoop generates impacts of three complementary levels. Environmental. It reduces 100% of coffee rice, reduces chemicals, and lowers the carbon footprint. Economic. It decreases operational costs by reusing materials and automating tasks. And social, it promotes a culture of sustainability and environmental awareness in workspace. Its differential model lies in uniting design, technology, and measurable impacts in a single system. Unlike other solutions, it doesn't just recycle, it reuses, automates, and communicates. We've turned the simple acts of drinking coffee into the drive of sustainable change.
Every cup of coffee leaves behind waste, but also an opportunity. An opportunity to turn waste into value, to care for the environment while performing everyday activities. Because sustainability doesn't start with big gestures, but with small conscious decisions like making the most of what we already have.